Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to purge your beans on your KitchenAid KF8 fully automatic espresso machine. In case you are going to like to change the beans in the bean hopper, for example, or of course you can change the entire bean hopper, then it's not so necessary, of course, but it's better to purge the beans first, because if you swap the beans to another bean source, for example, it's better for the flavor to purge the bean in the machine itself. For this, the KitchenAid has a function. We go to the menu area over here, and you have there the area for cleaning. Okay, here is the cleaning unit, and now you can see here the purge beans setup. Let's go there, and now we have to begin to purging the beans. We are going to chop to the unlocked position, and then we press the start button. Okay, let's perform this now. We are going to set this to the other option. That means we turn the knob to the unlock position on the bean hopper over there. Here we are. This is the bean hopper. The bean hopper is placed in the back side of your device, and now we turn it to another position. Okay, I will show you what's going on there. Let's remove the bean hopper, and you see there are beans left on the mill. You can see that. And to purge this, that means we are going to grind the beans out of this area. It is necessary to use that kind of option. We do not have to remove them there because the machine can make this, but it's better, of course. So here we are. And then we can now press the start button to begin purging the beans. Then we plug in our beans. We'll clear the leftover coffee beans inside the grinder. Okay, let's start. Now the system is purging the beans, and you see and hear it that now the stuff is coming through, and underneath this container, it is the mill, and the mill is now cleared, and the beans in the bean hopper are not purging out of that container, of course. And now the grinder system is cleared of remaining coffee beans and grounds. Okay. Now to remove the bean hopper, push the side button to extract the hopper or to lock the back beans and so on. So here we can see, now we are looking through that, and you see only one bean on top is left. The other beans are evacuated out of the grinder. Really cool. And now we can add a new hopper system with new beans into it. Of course, we are going to unlock this if it is installed. And then new beans are getting into the machine, and we are back in business. That's how to clean your mill completely. Evacuate your mill if you like to swap to another bean source. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sunshine.